Hey, fourth grade mathers, welcome to another week. Happy Monday. Okay, we are doing page 15 today. Or you're doing page 16. You're either doing page 15 or you're doing page 16, but we're gonna be working in both of them during the video, and then whatever it says on your homework sheet, you are gonna do. Let me check that out right now. You are doing page 15. Okay, great. So, here we go. I'm gonna help you with this page right here today. Look what the theme is, 2-digit multiplication, okay, 2-digit multipliers. So that'd be really fun. We're talking about ones that look like this. 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. They all have 2 digits. So before we get started, I wanna practice a few things. Let's do our 3 tables, okay? So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, 6. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11, 33, 3 times 12, 36. Okay, for those of you just looking at me like, thank you, Miss Jessica, for saying those. That's not gonna help you. You need to say it out loud. Okay, so let's count by threes first, and then we're gonna do it again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Let's do it again. 3, 6, 9, 12. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Okay, let's do it. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. Say it out loud. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 9, 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. 3 times 11, 33. 3 times 4, 3 times 12, 36. Good, okay. 3 times 5. Fernanda? 15. 3 times 9. Sama? 27. 3 times 10. Jayla? 30. 3 times 4. Holly? 12. 3 times 7. Kiana? 21. 3 times 12. Kiana? 36. And 3 times 3. Scarlett? 9. Okay, let's do our 4s really quick. Let's count them. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Great. Okay, let's do it again. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Great. Okay, we'll keep working on those. Before we get into our lesson today, let's do some of these conversions. What's 1 yard? How many feet? 1 yard equals how many feet? Remember, a yard is like this. 3. 1 foot, how many inches? A foot is like this. Inches like that. Like this right here. Inch. 1 foot, how many inches? 12. Whoop, 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 whoop. 1 yard, how many inches? 36. 1 mile, how many yards? Ooh, this one's hard. 1,760. And 1 mile, how many feet? 5,280. I'm gonna mix them up. I'm gonna mix them up and see who I can call on. Kiana, 1 mile, how many yards? 1,760. 1 mile, how many feet? Sama? 5,280. 1 foot, how many inches? Fernanda? 12. 1 yard, how many feet? Kiana? 3. And 1 yard, how many inches? Hallie? 36. Okay, here we go, guys. Look what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you, okay, let's review this for a second. If I'm adding two numbers together, what are these two numbers called? Anybody know or remember? Add and sum. The answer to your addition is sum, okay? Say that with me. Add and sum. If you're subtracting, it's minuend, subtrahend, difference for your answer. I don't really care that you know what these are called, but I do want you to know what this is called. This is your sum, and then this is your difference. Okay? So what's the answer to a addition? Sum. What's the answer to a subtraction? Difference. What's the answer to a multiplication? Product. And when you see today, you're going to see it in your homework. Right here, you have lines by your multiplication. This is what you're going to write. Factor, partial product, product. Because when we multiply, guys, it's called factors. And you do need to know that word. Factors, partial product, product. So, Kiana, what's the answer to an addition problem called? Sum. What's the answer to a subtraction problem, Scarlett? Difference. What's the answer to a multiplication problem, Holly? Product, okay? And what are these numbers up here called in a multiplication problem, Kiara? Factors, okay? So here we go. I'm going to teach you how to two-digit multiply. I'm going to do it kind of fast up here so that you can see the process like it's supposed to go. And then I'm going to teach you down here, okay? We go, 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 2 is 2. Then we put our 0 under here. 5 times 7 is 35. You put your 5 there and your 3 up here. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So you put 13 right here. These are your partial products. You need to add those together. 7 plus 0 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 0 is 3, and 1 plus 0 is 1. 1,377, okay? For some of you guys, this isn't new. And for some of you guys, you're like, thank you for repasar, Francesca, I always forget, okay? So let's repasar really, really well right now. Okay, here we go. Here's your steps. Start with this number right here, okay? You're gonna multiply, you're gonna add it. This number doesn't even exist, okay? So here we go. 7 times 2 is 14. Put your 4 right there and your 1 right here. 7 times 9 is what, Scarlett? 63. 63 plus 1? 64. Okay? Then you put your 0 down here. You always have to put a 0 down here, you guys, okay? Because we don't want to put a number here. We want to start our number here because that's where this number starts, okay? Now, you want to ignore that this number's here and just do 5 times 2 and 5 times 9. So we're going to cross this one out right here. That one's gone because we already used it. 5 times 2 is 10. Put a 0 right here and a 1 up here. 5 times 9 is what? Jayla? 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. Okay, then you go. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5,244. Okay? By the way, oops, never mind. Just kidding, nothing. Okay, so let's do another one. Let's erase some of the stuff off the board so we're not confused. Okay, here we go. Let's do this one. We're going to ignore that this number is here. 6 times 5 is 30. Put a 0 right here, put a 3 right here. 6 times 6 is what, Fernanda? 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. What are you gonna put right in here? Sama? 0. 3 times 5 is 15. We already used the 3, so now we're gonna cross it out and put the 1 for the 15. 3 times 6 is what? Tiana? 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 plus 3 plus 9 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2,340 is your answer. Let's keep going.